Here you go, Seb. What's that? No, look at the big green things.
Green things.
Look, Jill, out the window, look. Wow, what are they? They triffids.
Yeah. You can do it.
Here we go. It takes the windows out. Here it comes. You ready? Coming to get you. Oh, where's one that goes over the roof? Here it comes, Sebby. Oh! What's that? It's a dinosaur. Dinosaur's coming to eat you, look. Oh dear, here it comes. You're in the dinosaur's mouth! Dinosaur's eating the car! Oh my god! Ah! What was that? Dinosaur just swallowed us.
Yeah, dwarf.
Oh no! It's coming back! Ah!
Look away!
Here he goes! Oh no, look out! He's doing something.
Go backwards.
Here he comes. Here he comes. No.
Boy.
Here he comes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Woman on the street becomes a
Get out when you go that way.
Is it over?
No, but Thursday Butcher Selection sirloin steaks are 2 for only £7.
Oh no! Look out, Sebby! Genuinely looks concerned. Uh-oh. Are they done, Sebby? That's where we get blasted now, is it? Are we gonna get out? Are you scared? Are you scared?
Yeah.
You wanna get out?
Yeah.
Okay, we're leaving in a minute. Oh. Ready, Sebby? What's this?
You go home.
What's this, Sebby? Look.
Uh-oh.
Why is it blowing it upwards? So weird. Just do this and leave the windows open. So how much was it? £6.
Go home.
I'm doing that, I guess. Oh, that's worth it.
Are we going now?
Do you want to go? Are you scared?
Yeah, we can. I'm going backwards.
That's £1 a minute. In 5 minutes. Get the crazy lady in there as well.
That was shit, still being paid for it.
A bit scary, wasn't it?
That scary, was it?
Yeah, it
It
was.
was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was it as scary as Nanny Doris in the shower?
Yeah. We're going down now.
Should we go then?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.